Hello everyone and welcome to another video from Carl's Tech Shed. Well, here's an interesting piece of equipment which I picked up on a collection last week. I just thought I'd let you have a look at it. Well, this looks like it's been removed from an old telephone exchange. It's got a very sort of GPO or British Telecom feel to it. It looks like it's sort of 1960s, maybe early 1970s. It's got a big bunch of wires at the back here which are all multicoloured. And it's got about 50 of these little micro switches just along the top here, and each of these are activated individually by this rotating cam. So if I rotate this, we'll start to see some of these switches move. As you can see, some of the switches move quite rapidly, like this one on the left hand side, whereas some of them are left open or closed for quite a long period of time during each single rotation. Now, it's quite obvious that there used to be a motor attached to this at one point, but unfortunately that's been removed quite some time ago. There's also a small switch up at the top here, but I'm not quite sure what that does. On this end there looks to be a small drive shaft coupling where the motor would connect into. Now, if we have a look at the top here, we can see there's an old yellow capacitor there made by LMT. That's 12 microfarads at 630 volts. Give or take 10%. And if you have a look at the back here, you can see how all of these individual switches have been hand soldered. Obviously this would be lead solder, none of this RoHS compliant lead free solder. And there's also a series of panels at the back here which are attached each with 2 screws, so perhaps that would have been for maintenance or additional options in this system. Well, thank you for watching. Now, unfortunately, there's no model number or any information written on this piece of equipment. I don't even know exactly what this is called or even what it would be used for, other than possibly being from a telephone exchange. So if anybody knows exactly what this is or what it's called, please leave a comment in the box below.